A recent Zillow survey has revealed some surprising truths about homeowners' approach to selling their homes, and it is clear that many are making costly mistakes. The June 2025 report highlights common misconceptions that can result in missed profits, longer time on the market, or even legal headaches. While sellers have access to more information than ever, there is still a significant gap that can leave them at a huge disadvantage. Hey, it's Mark here with the Hiller Group, brokered by eXp Realty. My team and I have you covered here along the beautiful Florida Panhandle from Pensacola all the way through Panama City, where our team has been fortunate enough to serve over 1,350 families in the past 10 years alone. If you are planning to sell your home, or even if you just want to learn more about what works and what doesn't work in today's market, here are the 5 most common mistakes homeowners make when selling their home, according to Zillow's new report. Number 1, over-investing in the wrong home improvements. Many homeowners believe that large renovations such as adding a new room, expanding their kitchen, these things will significantly impact their home's value. However, Zillow's research shows that these expensive projects often don't provide the return that sellers would expect. While big additions might seem appealing, most cost-effective upgrades like fresh paint, landscaping, or minor kitchen and bathroom improvements genuinely offer better returns. Sellers should focus on creating a strong first impression through thoughtful staging, comparative pricing, and strategic updates rather than relying on large, costly renovations to get them there. A clean, fresh, welcoming home often speaks louder than an overbuilt one. Rather than increasing your size of your home, focus on creating a visually appealing, well-maintained space that buyers will appreciate. Number 2, prioritizing curb appeal over screen appeal. Look, while curb appeal is still very important, it is no longer the first thing that the buyer sees. Today's home buyers are browsing listings online first, and if your home doesn't stand out in a digital photo, it could easily be overlooked. Homes listed with high-quality photos, interactive floor plans, and 3D tours attract more attention and sell faster. Zillow reports that listings with their showcase feature sell for 2% more than comparable homes without this feature. Good digital presentation is essential, and it goes beyond curb appeal. Large, clear images that have a detailed virtual tour helps potential buyers visualize themselves in the home before they even step foot in the property. This is your first impression, and you definitely don't want to miss the mark. People will pass it by and never look back. People are picky, people. So invest in professional photography and a strong online presence. The digital presentation of your home is just as important, if not more, than what the buyer sees in person. Number 3, skipping the agent interview process. Choosing the right real estate agent is crucial, yet Zillow's survey revealed that about 25% of the homeowners skip important steps when hiring an agent, such as reading their online reviews or interviewing multiple candidates. In a market that's evolving, finding an agent with the right experience and local knowledge is more important than ever. A strong agent not only helps you set the right price, but also markets your home effectively. They negotiate on your behalf and they manage all of the paperwork. By failing to vet your agent thoroughly, you risk losing out on valuable expertise that could help you secure the best deal possible for you and your family. Don't rush the agent selection process. Take the time to interview multiple agents and check their qualifications, check their reviews, and see their past success. I recommend not using part-time agents, especially now. They do not have the knowledge of the market and do not know and understand all the complexities that we're going through right now as the market shifts from a seller's market to a buyer's market. Number 4, highlighting the wrong features. Home sellers often think that certain features will drive up their home's resale value, but buyer preferences don't always align with seller assumptions. For example, nearly half of homeowners believe that an open floor plan is one of the most desirable features in a home. In reality, homes with open layouts tend to sell for slightly less than expected. On the other hand, features like natural wood floors, high-end cabinetry, and stone countertops can increase the home's value by as much as 3.5%. As a seller, understanding what buyers truly want can help you highlight the right aspects of your home. Focus on emphasizing desirable features that buyers are currently seeking, like natural materials and quality finishes. And number 5, hiding issues instead of disclosing them. One of the most significant mistakes sellers can make is trying to hide known issues with the property. More than half of the homeowners, 56%, admit to concealing problems such as structural damage, pest infestations, or water damage, in hopes of closing the sale faster. This is not only unethical, but it can also expose you to legal action if the buyer discovers the issue after the sale. Transparency is key. Sellers are legally required to disclose any known issues of the property. Failing to do so could lead to serious consequences, including the loss of sale or lawsuit after the deal closes. The difference between a smooth, profitable sale and a stressful, disappointing one often comes down to knowledge. As a seller, you don't need to be an expert in every aspect of the process, but you do need to partner with an agent who is. A knowledgeable agent will guide you through the complex landscape and home selling process, helping you avoid costly mistakes and ensuring that you make the most from your sale. Education is key to maximizing profits and ensuring a smooth transaction. Be informed, work with an expert, and make strategic decisions that align with what buyers truly want. Hope you found this video helpful. If you need anything at all in the home selling process, do not be afraid to reach out, whether you're in my market or not. Send me a DM, happy to help. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button down below, and we'll see y'all on the next one.